The Motley Patriot. So today we are brick and stone mason's helper, and I wanted to take a moment to show with you. We in speaking with the mason who's done a lot of historical work, he suggests these bricks probably fall somewhere between 1830 and 1840, which corresponds to the oral tradition that the chimneys on the old cabin were replaced when James Tolles Clark moved into the cabin. And if you look at these joints, these are very interesting. So there's a thin red, as you can see, a thin red finish on it, like a dyed red. And of course, there's a bullet mark from where the Confederates and the Federals were taking shots at each other, running down the streets of Unionville, as I'm told. A little bit of picketing work. But we're gonna finish this out. We're gonna try to keep as much of this original intact as possible, and then repoint. I've done some repair down here, which seems to be holding up really well on some damaged bricks, but you get a sense. I've got some more point work to do down here at the bottom, mainly just some repairs, but trying desperately to keep this old dyed mortar work. And you can see the slope kind of comes back like this, so you get that drip and it doesn't seep into the joints. We got a few joints to take care of. You can see I've done a lot. Let me climb up here. Proof that I can actually still climb. Some of my handy planking work. He's so planky. Anyway, some of the work I've done here, I'm kind of proud of that work. Still got to put my my finished slope on this once everything else is done. Here's some of the bricks that I have already. Now these are slightly newer bricks, but they'll pull off the repair. Now some of these joints, they got caught in the frost, but it has self-repaired underneath, so we'll repoint all of this. But this time we have heaters and tarps and a means to keep this thing dry. There is a frost coming up. But welcome to Unionville. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Got my little fire going over there. Motley Patriot bringing you masonry festivities. Anyway, we'll keep you posted.